How to turn off a laptop with keyboard. Want to shut down your Windows laptop without touching the mouse? There are a few keyboard shortcuts you can use, and I'll show you the easiest ones. First, make sure you've saved your work and closed anything important, because shutting down your laptop will close your open applications. Press Windows plus D to show your desktop. Now press Alt plus F4. A shutdown Windows window will appear. Make sure Shutdown is selected from the drop-down menu. Press Enter to shut down your laptop. There's also another quick method. Press Windows plus X to open the quick link menu. Then press U on your keyboard. Press U again to select Shutdown. Your laptop will now begin shutting down. Keep in mind that the keyboard shortcuts may work slightly differently on older versions of Windows, or depending on your laptop settings. And that's how you can turn off your laptop using only your keyboard. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.